Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an applications engineer for Worldwide Electric. This is one of a series of videos to help you wire and configure our WD4X drive. In this video, we will show you how to wire a 0 to 10 volt input to the WD4X drive. The WD4X drive comes default for speed reference via the keypad, but you can change that and use a 0 to 10 volt speed potentiometer, and this is how you will wire that speed potentiometer into the WD4X drive. You will land your common on your 3-wire 0 to 10 volt speed pot on the terminal CM. You will wire your 10 volt wire out to your speed potentiometer in terminal VR, and then your reference you're bringing back to the drive for speed control will go into terminal V1. Now you are wired for a 0 to 10 volt speed control on the WD4X drive. Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, our website is an excellent source of product documentation, and we have other helpful videos on our YouTube channel. We also have applications engineers available to answer questions for your specific application. Lastly, remember, our tech support is available 24/7, 365 days a year. And thank you for being a Worldwide customer.